welcome back, traders. Getting ready for the new trading week. We're gonna knock them dead. Just been very extremely busy at work, so I could not really put out any videos the last couple of weeks. But I did make some trades. I recorded a little bit of stuff. We were killing it on the Aussie and the Canadian again, and the JPY. Just with the power zone, just destroying the market. If you're a struggling trader, give it a look. Check out one of the webinars. It's Back to the Future Trading. Just lights out. So let's get started. So we're gonna make some pips, traders. And we got here the Aussie US dollar. So right now, Sunday, we're coming in. Market's gonna be open in 15 minutes, so we're gonna get these videos out quick as possible. Okay, we already got a move down on the pound, gap down already. But the Aussie US dollar, I'm still looking for short trades on this pair until we get to, looks like maybe Monday. It's thought maybe a retracing, but it's going to go back down. Then spike up again, and then we're going to take another short on it. Okay? So that's what I'm looking at. And then it looks like from there, it looks sideways movement. Not really moving that much, so we'll see how it goes. You can pause for the histogram times and work it out from there. But yeah, this thing is pretty lights out with this power zone. Just been, killing the market with this thing. All right, so that's the Aussie US dollar. Next up, the US JPY 132 daily trading range made well over 100 pips on this thing last week. Just beast mode. Okay, so my first trade is going to be Sunday here at 8 p.m. on, this is New York time. I'm going to be taking a long trade on the yen. We'll see how many pips we make or how it goes up. If not, we'll either take a stop out or close out because we're looking like a reversal coming here 4 a.m. in the morning. But it looks like we got plenty of time before that happens. Okay, and then it looks like, again, it's going to pull back again, traders. And we're going to look for another short trade here because we have a short trade here at, looks like 7 a.m. We have another short trade here coming. Probably the better short. Sometimes it doesn't matter. Because sometimes you get a better entry earlier. But looks like the histogram peaks out here at 9 or 10 o'clock a.m. in the morning. But the short move is very short. So I don't know how significant it's going to go down. Because it doesn't really, it's still a bubble on the histogram here on the top. So we'll see what happens with that. And then I'm not going to take any more trades on the dollar yen unless it's technical, because I'll be looking for an up move here on Thursday at 9 o'clock a.m. in the morning. We'll see how it goes. And then from there, oh, I forgot to put this one in. I'm looking for a short here at 3 a.m. in the morning on the dollar yen. Okay, so that's it. That's what the dollar yen. Okay, so next up is going to be the Euro New Zealand. This is 116 pip daily trading range. I'm not taking any trades on this pair until Monday at 1800. Going to get a little early entry so I could try to catch this drop and then reverse my position here at 2300 and take another buy trade here at 2 a.m. in the morning to the north. Okay, for the Euro New Zealand. And then we got another buy move on Wednesday, triple confirmation, 8 a.m. in the morning to the north. Okay, then we're going to exit the trade here at 2300, and we're going to dip. Okay, slight pullback, take another short, and it's going to start going down. All right, the Euro New Zealand. We can pause the video for the times. All right, traders. Whoops, what happened? Okay, sorry about that. Alrighty, that was the Euro New Zealand. Next up is going to be the Euro Australian. Only 100 pip daily trading range, very sideways. Really not going anywhere. And looks like when the market opens, it's going to go down. Not interested in that. I'm interested in a short coming here at 3 a.m. in the morning. We're short. And hold it, try to hold it. We'll see what the pip count is. Sometimes it's only 20, 30 pips. Sometimes it can move 70, 80. you know, at some, like with Euro New Zealand, not at all. Okay, and then we're going to look to reverse the position at 9 o'clock, or let's see, 9 till, it's going to be a sharp up move until 11. That's like 2 hours. See what happens with that. A little dangerous because, you know, it could just drop at any time. And when we get right here, we look for a drop at 2100 on Monday or short. So we'll see. Maybe we'll take a short. Then it bottoms out here. If something's happening at this time, again, traders, 2300, 2300, 1 a.m. in the morning to the north. Okay, on Tuesday. And then again, 11 a.m. in the morning, another up move. And then it looks like we're coming into some sells here. Wednesday, Tuesday going into Wednesday. Okay, down move. And overall, looks like it's going down. So we may favor short trades on the Euro Australian. We shall see. Day traders. So that's the Euro Australian. Okay, so next up is going to be the pound Aussie. Pound Aussie's coming in here. I'm not taking any trades on a pound Aussie. I may take this 2 a.m. We'll see if it drops hard or not and exit quickly. Because it looks like overall it's going up, but when you get these little humps, the way it's waving, sometimes it's pretty nasty. So I don't want to be involved with that. So I'm going to take maybe a short trade here on Monday, 2 a.m. in the morning, or 3 a.m. actually. Let's see. No, we're going to do 2 a.m. because it looks like it starts to fall off the cliff right at 2 a.m. Okay, so we're going to take a short trade, exit quickly, and then we're going to take another short trade here on Monday at 8 p.m. Again, drop, and then we're looking for an up move here on the pound Aussie on Tuesday at 4 a.m. and another one at 9 a.m. in the morning to the north. Okay, so something's happening there. So it looks like it flat lines here and then it goes up a little bit. But overall, it looks like it's starting to roll back over to a short. As you can see, the histograms. This histogram and this one is lower. Okay, so and then it moves into a down move. All right, so that's the pound Australian. It hasn't been performing the way I used to trade this. I don't know why, but you know, markets do change, and it's really not performing that well lately. So I haven't been taking that many trades on it. But if I see an opportunity, like you know, when I'm lining up with the arrows, I will take the trade. Okay, so that's the pound Australian dollar. So next up is the pound New Zealand. I don't see anything with this until it is dropping right now before the market opens. That's for sure. But I see a slight up move at 4 a.m. on this pair. Only 2 hours, so we'll see how that works out. May take that. Then we got a short move coming here at 8 p.m. on Monday to a quick drop till 2200, and then we reverse, and then we go up, and then we drop again, and this could be the entry for the pound at 4 a.m. in the morning and take it to the north. Okay, and it looks like it just keeps going to the north. All right, so I'm favoring long trades after Tuesday. After this move here, and even possibly this one here, depending on how hard this thing dips down for the pullback. Okay, and then I'll be favoring long trades for the rest of the week on the pound New Zealand. Okay, so next up is going to be the Great British Pound JPY, DTR 177. I'm not looking for anything when the market opens. I'm looking for a down move on Monday at 6 a.m. in the morning. Quick drop. We'll see how far it goes down, and we'll see where the pippage is. Okay, and then on Tuesday, that's just one trade because there are not that many trades on this pair from where I'm looking at. Then we look like we're going long here on Tuesday, and we're just going to be looking for long trades. Long trade, long trade, long trade, and it just looks like it's going up. That's what I see. So we'll see, traders. So I'll update you with some of the videos I took in the last couple of weeks. You can see how the power zone works, and it's just awesome. All right, traders. So I will update you with those videos, and stay profitable. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more content on there, and I'll be updating. I'll be doing some more videos as soon as I get to more time, because it's been extremely busy, at work. Okay. All right, I'm out, traders. Any questions, make a comment on the video, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. All right, I'm out. Welcome back, traders. Just got back in. Just firing up. Just came in here on this chart here, and I see a move that I am going to take on the Aussie dollar to the south. So I'm going to take that right now, because that is the exact time, 5 o'clock. I am going to pause the video, and so I can take these short positions. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. All right, traders. I took the short right here at 5 o'clock. The market opened and the Aussie dollar peaked out on the histogram. So let's take a look and see what happened with the chart. And all right, so we went over to the chart, traders. Here we are to the south. Big time down move on the Aussie dollar. So we're probably going to pull back to 52 and then continue on its way down. Probably going to stop here at 75.24. All right, traders. So there we are. Power zone. Does it again. Welcome back, traders. Yeah, here's one of the charts for the MP4 platform. Let's see, I got some entries here. I also had some higher entries on my other MT4 platform. So again, the power zone comes through, making some pips for the week. So it's been pretty good so far this week. Definitely better than last week, and we're definitely getting some market movement big time. All right, traders. So let's see what else is going on here in New Zealand. Nothing's really happening with that. Yen should be on its way. Looking for a pullback on the yen. GBP NZD. US dollar Canadian. We had a nice trade on that the other day. Let's see, what's my trend line break right here, traders. Oh, it's beautiful. Pull back. Trend line break. This thing dropped like a bomb. As you can see here, made a ton of pips on this way down. Just unbelievable. Yeah, welcome back, traders. About to take a short on the dollar Canadian. Been waiting for this for a while. And we just took a short on the Japanese yen, US JPY. So let's take a look at the chart. It's already up 35 pips already. Nope, that's not the chart. Oh, sorry, traders, hold on. Well, that's not the power zone. JPY. 60 minute. It's already up about 35 pips. So when we entered, and we're looking for a further drop down here, and then it's going to pull back, lower high, and then down again. So we'll see how we're at if we're going to exit here for a pullback or another move up and then down again. All right, traders. So we got 1 minute, and we're going to start taking short trades on the US dollar Canadian. Right here, see the peak of the histogram. I had this on my charts in the video. And it looks like we're going to go down and pull back, go down again, almost like the dollar yen. Then the reversal comes here. Then we'll have an up move for a retracement, pullback. There's another up move. And then we're going to go up, and then we're going to peak out here. And then we're going to start looking for shorts big time here Friday, 10 o'clock to the south. Another pullback into the trend to the south, to the south. Here's a pullback again. And we're going down, traders. Looks like down the whole week. Oh boy. We'll see when we get there. Wow. It just looks like it's just, here's another entry into the trend to the downside. Wow. All right, traders. So that's it. We got up. We're right here. All right. So I'm going to start taking short trades. Pause the video. Yeah. Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar Canadian. All right. We just took a whole bunch of short trades after the pullback here, after it dropped like a bomb, traders here. I winded up exiting a little bit too early, and this thing dropped big time. So I wound up closing out, and now I just re-entered because I saw this was going to pull back. If you listen to one of my previous videos, which will connect to this video, I had this pair going breaking the 30.00, and it did went all the way down to 29.60, around 65, something like that. So now we're pulling back to a resistance point about 30.74. So I think we're going to get a nice drop here, boom. Another pullback into the trend here about 10 o'clock. And then we got a nice short here until about 1. And then we're going to start going back up. Okay, traders, so like I said, just took a whole bunch of shorts they're in, so we shall see how it works out. All right, traders. It's the power zone. It's just right now you can see here we are here. We got the resistance up here. So let's see if this resistance is going to hold. We broke this trend line, and then we gravitated to this trend line, bounced off of that. Very weak pullback down, and now we're probably going to, maybe if we get back up here, hit this and then start dropping. So we shall see. And then what we'll do is we'll see where we're at, and then we'll wait for that pullback that's going to come at this one right here at 9 o'clock, and we'll just wait, let it go up, and then boom, short it again. Wow. All right, traders, so that's it, and let's see what else is going on really quick. I think I missed the Aussie trade. Yep, sure did. So we're gonna wait for the Aussie to pull back, and then because it was making lower lows here, but now it just took out this high, these highs right here. So we're probably gonna get a pullback. I had closed one of my Euro Australian trades because like our Euro Australians is about to get blitzed by the Aussie. So and the power zone
Order pending
on the Euro Australian is let me see if I can find it. Take a minute. Sometimes looking at this chart. Okay, here we go. Look at the sharp. This is why I shorted the Euro Australian. I removed my long position. I just woke up not that long ago, and I saw my Euro Australian was way up here, and I missed. I could have got a better exit out of my long trade. So now I'm in a short trade. Looks like it's definitely everything's in alignment with the HPC lines, and looks like we're going to the south until 8 o'clock. So about 4 hours. There you go, Canadian, Aussie. So let's see where the Australian dollar itself is going. Because I missed that trade, traders, right there. That was the trade I was looking for. I was looking. I'm going to have to take the Aussie along because I kept looking at my chart. I'm like, wait a minute. I know I saw something at the bottom, and it was the Aussie. Okay, 4 a.m. As you can see, the 4 a.m. signal came in, and what is the Australian dollar doing? Going up. So it actually started going up at 2,200. That's where it bottomed out right there. But as you can see right now, it's taking off to the north. So
Kind of what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for a pullback because, on the Aussie, the train has left the station. So we'll wait for some sort of pullback to the backside of this trend line. And if it keeps going, then it keeps going. There's no sense of chasing it. So that's how you get in trouble.
Back traders trading the Aussie US dollar. Okay, right before 10 o'clock, the Aussie dollar just took a huge dive. So we're going to take some trades, short trades on the Aussie dollar. And we may take some buy trades on the Canadian dollar. As you can see here, the trend line just broke. So we're definitely going to go down to this level. I thought we were going to hit the support, resistance up here. We did not yet. And we just got this big bearish candle, engulfing candle. So we're going to take some short trades. Hopefully you get a little bit of a pullback. So I'm going to take a couple of positions and hope we get a pullback because we're probably going to take these lows right out and head down to here. Back traders, trading the US dollar Canadian. I don't need to say anymore. US dollar Canadian using the power zone. It's just unbelievable. Here we go. We got Friday. We're already limited out. Traders, it's probably going to go down further, but I already had set a limit. Already. So we are already limited out. So all we have now is the Aussie US dollar. So we'll see how that trade works out. We have a few hours for that, and then we're going to reverse our position into sell. And then that's it, traders. That's all we're in. Oh, and the Euro New Zealand took a short on that. But other than that, that's all we're in. And we had another awesome week so far. So we'll see how that Aussie trade works out. And that's it. The power zone. You saw here's the retracement back up for the the U.S. dollar Canadian. And I was waiting for this signal here Friday, and boom, we went down big time pippage. It's probably going to go to 128 now. So we'll see. Again, back to the future trading. It's just unbelievable. Right here, I had it drawn. You see the retracement here, going up, going up, going up. Wedge pattern, breaks out of it, pulls back. I sold it right here, and I put a conservative limit of right in between these two pivots here. Well, we got daily pivot here and a daily pivot, so my limit was right around here. Hit that, boom, closed out, and we're good to go. All right, another successful week trading this software. Even if my Aussie trade does not work out, we're still successful for the week. Just awesome trading using it back to future trading software and the power zone. All right, traders, I'm out, and I'll update you back on those other trades. This thing's going down big time, traders, big time.